the right people. And we have had a lot of inquiries that come in for friends asking for therapists, for friends, for spouses asking for this, for another partner, for siblings asking. So we do see a lot of that happening. And I think that is the first thing that family members do when they
Awareness,
find
yeah.
themselves lost is okay, let's get you help. And what's very important is for organizations to be out there which they can trust for reaching out and making sure that they are referring their loved ones to the right
The right
places.
place, yes.
So that would be the first course. Uske baad ye कि if it's an under 18 client, of course, sometimes family needs to be involved. Just where, it is because they are a minor. So under 18 वाले clients में family members are also involved. जहाँ पे adult है, सबसे पहली चीज़ that we do recommend, and we also, my intake team is very particular, is let's talk to the client. Let's not talk to the family member because a family member cannot truly understand what they are going through, why they can't get out of bed. So it's very important that we encourage the client to take the first step. That in its own is a big thing for a client who's struggling and suffering to take that first step. And that's the beginning. Especially when we talk about coming in person rather than online, it's also the effort of getting out of their comfort zone, coming into this space. That in its own is hard work. And then the process begins for them where they start seeking. And then when we feel like either risk है या कोई harm का problem हो सकता है, we reach out to family members and we say, well, over here we need you involved. So it's really case by case how the family plays a part in what role they need to kind of fill in, but it is to get them the right help and to get them to the right person. That's
Okay, so when we are identifying and going to the right doctors, and there is a solution out there, and I think what we need to understand is that whatever symptoms you might feel that your family member is having, there is a way out of it. And there is a solution, and there are people who are trained to help you in those behaviors. Acha, Hiba, so about the agencies.
Yeah.
How do you feel in Pakistan? Is this system evolving? Is it better than before? Where do you think it will be before and where it is now?
I think there are agencies that are coming up, there are organizations that are trying to put together and become some sort of governing body, things like these. So even as an agency, because in Pakistan there are no boards for this particular field, especially mental health. There are barely any laws around it as well. There's a lot of malpractice that does happen. So इसलिए yes, agencies coming up is very important. Some sort of governing rules, law, a body that comes in, associations to be formed is very, very important. I do know that they are in the pipeline. Things like these are coming up.
That's
Laws
amazing.
are being drafted for this particular field. So I'm really hopeful that slowly, gradually, the malpractice will go down. Accountability and responsibility will start coming in more in this field because it's very, very important. Somebody who comes in very vulnerable. There is a lot of
You can,
responsibility
yes.
on the therapist because they're coming here very raw, and how you give them that space and that holding can make or break their
Yes.
experience.
Yes.
Can make and break often the relationships, can make and break their everyday functioning. So I think बहुत ज़्यादा onus falls on us as practitioners because यहाँ rules नहीं है. We have to be creative around how to fill in those gaps जहाँ पे नहीं है. Even myself as an agency, I do get complaints. I do get uh, things that I need to address which are beyond the scope of an agency. But because कोई है
Because
नहीं
there
करने
is
वाला,
nobody else, yeah.
I feel like it falls
Yeah.
on me कि अच्छा ठीक है, if a client is coming in and they're experiencing this, who else is going to help them?